Welcome back to Construction Simulator for episode 19, where we're continuing the college build with me, Mr. Sealy P. We are boogieing straight on after the last episode. We're going to jump in. We have got ceiling element concrete to place. I've got to work out actually whether or not. Where can I open this up where I'm not going to be in the way of anything else? Where are my supports? It's not going to work, is it? Will that work? Can give it a go. Don't think they're going to open this side. Oh, okay, we might be alright. God, that was a bit of luck. I didn't think that was going to fit then. Okay, we need to work out where we're putting these. That's what we need to do as well. Let's get the lights on. There we go. At least we can see now. Might just 4 o'clock in the morning. It's going to start getting light. So we need to do those sections over there. Those sections. Don't know how many over there. We should be able to reach, I think. Let's get straight along. I'm going to get as much done as I can. Why are we not? Oh no, we're up against the building. I can't rotate. No, we're up against the building. Ah. I can't get in that side. How am I going to do this? I might have to go in off the road, you know. Can I reach all over here? Yeah, potentially. Right, okay. Bear with me. I'm going to have to pack this away. We're going to have to go out onto the road. Let's try this again. Oh, it's tight. I'm sure the people opposite aren't going to mind if I go up in their driveway. Much. To a 29-point turn in the road. Are we round? I think we might be round. Okay, right, swing that. Now, people aren't going to like this too much because I'm going to have to go on the other side of the road, but it's all in the name of construction and progress. Oh, hang on, I've got all those trees in the way. Oh, man, this is a tricky old site. I think this one is probably intended to have... I don't think we have to... Are there collisions on the trees? I'm not sure. Probably intended for a tower crane in here rather than a mobile crane. But I'll go to there again, so we're about central to that. Oh no. Traffic. Sorry. That's what we'll do. Do that. Do that. I'm sure they'll be over the moon. This idiot just parks a mobile crane in the street. Can we get past those trees? If we can we reach all the way out there? I honestly don't know. Have we got the reach to get all the way out there? We're certainly about to find out, that's for certain. I can't reach all my stuff over the other side of the... Oh, actually, we might be alright. Whoa. Slowly, slowly. Nope, trees. Am I going to get away with this? probably shouldn't have done, but just sling it, get a bit of momentum going, and the last little bit just whiplash it across. No bother. That's how they do it in the real world. This one might be a little bit trickier. I think what I might have to do is move the bits that are over there, the low loader and the flatbed, because the low loader is empty now. We've got, I think, all of our building materials delivered. I'll move the flatbed, and I might have to put the crane over there, I think. That way, with the gap in the trees, I might be able to reach both sides of the site from there. That might be the best alternative, I think. Now, does this do this in just 2 massive lumps? Oh no. All individual pieces. Yay. Is that tree going to let me get to it? Oh, it might be alright. Oh no, don't know. I think I'm way off, aren't I? Yep, we might... Again, probably shouldn't be able to. Okay. So as you can imagine, this is going to take a little while now, because I think we've got 11 pieces to do. We're on piece 4, or is this piece 5? Yep, that was 5. So I've got another 6 to do. I'll get those done, and then it may be a case of, well, whatever the job is next, we may have to just move the crane around and have a bit of a fiddle around with this, I think. Last piece. And what I think I'm going to do for this one is we'll get that up, we'll bring that in, and I'm going to raise this right above the tree. I think we can go above it. Whoa, hang on. There we go. Perfect. Deliver construction materials, pallet of wood and rebar mesh. Brilliant. Now, where's the rebar mesh? On the back of the... What's my angle looking like here? Where's it got to be delivered to? Hey, you know what? I'm going to give it a whirl. Let's go in that gap, over the tree. Can we go over the tree? And then we'll lower the whole lot. Can we reach that far? Rebar mesh only 1. You know what? We jolly well can. Actually, let's go up a little bit higher. Because I was just coming down onto the tree there. There we go. Look at that. Where's this going to, though? It's over here somewhere, isn't it? Yep. I'm not going to be able to reach the wood though. That's all the way over the other side, so we might have a problem there. Change camera. There we go. How cool would it be to do this for a job? You know, it would just be incredible, wouldn't it? Right, so I suppose my other choice is, rather than move the entire crane, I could go around there with my lorry, pick him up on the lorry, bring the lorry over here, rather than move the entire crane. That might make more sense. You can see what I mean though about the tower crane right over there in that spot with a long enough boom. But then there's the construction and deconstruction cost of it, whereas this we don't have that. I think what we'll do, I'm going to take the other rebar off and we'll just stick it on the ground. I wonder, just curious here, can we? Oh, how cool is that? I didn't even think that would be a thing. We can go up and we can peruse our work. So those are for the lifts, are they? Elevators? Lift shafts. That's awesome. Anyway, I've got work to do. I haven't got time to be mucking around. Okay, next bit. Got the wood over. I'm probably going to move the crane into the gap since we've moved stuff out now. Unpack that. Be more concrete pouring probably. Yep, concrete the ceiling. So actually what we'll probably do is bring the we'll bring the concrete mixer in. Probably a good job that I didn't bring the crane in. So we need to do concrete pouring there and there. We can reach from here, can't we? We did it from here before. Right. Where did I leave it? Oh, it's just there. Excellent. We've still got some concrete in it. Don't know why I pressed that. I'm probably going to move the crane boom out of the way, aren't I? Yep. So, there maybe? Just thinking of the reach. Is it going to extend with that? Because I put the rebar there. Oh, just. Find the scaffolding. Did we run out already? We've got 7% done. Now we have to check the... Come on. Can I go under that? No. There we go. Concrete mixer. Is this empty? Nope, got a little bit in here. I haven't opened the hopper, have I? Nope. Why would I be so organised? Let me just double check something before I do that. How are we looking? Yeah, we're going to have to go all the way over there, aren't we? Let's do that and that. Am I going to knock this sign down? Ho, ho. No, I'm not. Right, that'll do for the time being. Let's get out of that. Right. We get there. We're getting there. No. Nothing to see here. Hopper open. I'll go in this way. This. Oh my days. Oh my days. Oh, we're getting there. Have we got enough to pull this though? Let's try that again, shall we? Oh, there we go. Come on. There we go, that one's done. I'm alright as long as I can reach the furthest point. The rest is all gravy, if I can. I go all the way up. Then bring that down, no. What am I doing wrong here? I've used this before. Up there, then bring that down. There we go. So we run out of concrete, you watch. Of course we're out of concrete. Why wouldn't we be? This job's paying well, but we're probably going to spend half of what we're going to earn just on buying concrete. I have returned bearing concrete and I have moved the pump as well because I couldn't quite reach this corner. As you can see, I've got a little bit of mist. We are going through the night again. We are 24-hour party people. Let's do that corner. Then we go up a bit, out a bit. Further out, swing it that way a little bit. Last bit, hopefully. We are there. Oh. Oh. Get in. Pallet of concrete formwork. That's all over there. We need 4 of those. I think I've got 4 over there. They've got to be put at the front. I think it's... Oh, I'm just thinking, actually. If I put the crane... I mean, in all honesty, I've got my small crane, my tower crane, but I don't know if it's going to be... I don't know if it's going to be big enough. Is it worth investing in a tower crane? I know most people will probably say no, but let's move that out of the way. I'm sure we'll have more concrete pouring to do later on, so we'll just put that there. Let's have a look, and we'll go to that. We want leap hair. $256, 175, hang on. 97, that's the one I've got. That's going to be the absolute beastie, isn't it? For 256,000. Let's do something a little bit different, shall we? What we'll also do is remove the concrete mixer. Actually, sorry, old chap. It's a rather nice sports car. Hop out of that. Right. No, I know it's going to charge me. We're at a point where, yeah, I've got my big crane, but I think just for the sake of having it and increasing my fleet of equipment, it's going to be interesting actually to see whether or not crane area, that one set up 5,000. So I'd imagine taking it down to be 5,000 on the scale of what I'm doing. Let's do it. Oh, look at that. Right, let's zoom out a little bit. And again. Oh, the wind whistling. Why are we not? There we go. Oh, we're a long way up. Wow. What do I want? Those. We got all day, haven't we? We'll be fine. Actually, I wonder what it looks like in here. Okay, we can kind of see. Oh yeah, that's not so bad, he says. Let's give it a go. Probably better in the light, but has this got lights? No. So this is what it's like. Oh. Oh man alive. Oh, we're going to get a lot of swing on this, aren't we? This is a big old brute. Behind the trees. Bring up a bit. Do you want to bring it towards me? Oh no, that's the only problem. Ah, I can't see where I am. That bar, the window frame, is just... It's just there where I need it to be. I'm going to go back outside for this one, aren't I? Exterior. Oh, okay. Swing around a little bit. Right, that way. And the thing's going to be in the way, isn't it? Oh no, we're all right. Have to move the lorry. Whoa! I am just having an absolute blast. Mind the buildings, mind the scaffolding, mind the trees. Oh, mind the lights. Remember, this is a hard hat area, people. A hard hat area. And with me at the controls, you're going to need it. We want that about there. Do that a little bit. Maybe out a little bit. Oops, I thought it was far enough out. That's what you want to hear from your crane operator, isn't it? Oops. Oops, it's thousands of pounds of damage. Right, got 2 more to do, and I'm going to need to move that out of the way to get that last one in. I will see you in a minute. I'm just going to have fun with cranes. Last one, nearly there. Do I have to unpack? Of course I do. We'll leave the crane up for the time being, get it out of the way, just in case. And we'll exit the crane, alright. That's just epic. I know it's going to cost me a bit to put it up and take it down, but... More concrete pouring by any chance? Yep. Pour walls. There. And where are we doing this time? Oh, we're doing the other corner, are we? Oh, they're making us move our gear about, and oh yeah, okay, right. The question is, where do I pour from? So this is where you'd have to use that. And use buckets, wouldn't you? I didn't really want to use them. That's why I bought the other old jalopy. I don't know how to do... I'll be honest with you, the other reason being, I don't know how to. Do I get them from here, or is it from materials? It's going to be from materials, isn't it? I'm assuming, like I say, I haven't used them, so we're going to have to fill them, are we? Or do they come pre-filled? Let's go to materials and have a look in there. Bulk material transport sack. Alright, so small concrete bucket, large concrete bucket. So how do we... How do we fill those up? Should I get a couple? I can only unload one at a time, I guess, can't I? Check out, deliver to construction site. Yeah. Okay, they're not very big, are they? So do I just back my concrete lorry up to these and then just pour in, do I? We're about to find out. Let's try something new. That's cool. this far in, it's nice to try something different. That's another reason why I got the crane. Sun's coming up. It's a beautiful day. Aim small, miss small. I suppose I can take this directly to the mixer then, can't I? Where did I leave it? Where did I leave the mixer? It's out there on the road. Yeah, I suppose we can do, can't we? Let's bring that in a little bit. Raise that up a little bit. Okay, going that way. That way, that way, that way. I probably shouldn't be taking this over the road. Whoa. Over the trees. Hey, you know what? This may be the future, people. It may be the future. We're not far. Pop that there. Maybe. Well, let's get out of the crane, get into the mixer. Do I just back up to it? Pour? Apparently so. Back to the crane. Well, I never. Whoa, no, we're going to go. He had no idea just how close he came. Oh, it's concrete going all over the shop. So the question is, do I pour this the same as everything else? I honestly don't know. What do I do? I don't know what I'm doing. I assumed it would be really straightforward, but do I have to drop it right down to there? Oh. 24% complete done. 24% complete done. English mining is good. That was alright actually. I quite enjoyed it. Mind the trip. Mind the trip. I'm getting too carried away now. I'm having too much fun. Stop having fun. This game is not about having fun. I really need to. Okay, you see where this is going. A bit of pour, a bit of dump, a bit of pour, a bit of dump. Switching between the two. I don't know which I prefer, in all honesty. Let's get off the ground a little bit. Go that way a little bit. Just get away from the dump truck and go up. Each one does a quarter mile, the tree. Buff on. So I got all that line there. It's a brave new world. That way, that way. Are we not? Where am I? It's saying it's green, but it's not actually. No. There we go. Now we're pouring. 48%. Right. I will see in a bit. Get this one done. We'll get the other one done. I'll see you when that's poured. We're at 76% poured on this one. This could be the last one we need to do. Might need to do another one. 4% off. Of course it is. Thought I'd bring the mixer to here. Makes it a little bit easier. Okay, this will definitely be the last one. Definitely, probably be the last one. Maybe. Definitely, probably. Come on. Didn't need 2 of these buckets. I suppose if you're doing multiplayer, you might do, because you could have one person fill in while the operator picks up the next one and you just switch backwards and forwards. But for me, probably didn't need it. We did go and get another load of concrete as well. No, not that one. That one. So I reckon probably just this end here would be alright, wouldn't it? Out there. Swing around that way so we can see it. It's about right to me. Let's go. 4 columns. Oh, we can do that. With this. Where are we going? Where are our columns we need to pour? All over there. Beauty of the crane. I assume. I don't know if this is going to pour. Do I just go in front of it, or would it work from here? Doesn't work from there. So do I need to go that way? For the green bit to appear. Do I try that? Nope, missed. I've got no... Where's the green marker? There we go. Is it pouring? It's showing it's green, but it doesn't seem to be... Right, now that's not green, is it? Okay, that was weird. That was nowhere near. So I need to be way off then, don't I? Try that. Okay, that one was a little bit easier. Okay, that's that one. Wow, how weird. I really wouldn't have expected it to be like that. Just came right back over here, didn't we? Try from there. And there should be one more then. About there. How peculiar. It's a good job it doesn't pour it all over the place while you're trying to get it on target. There we go. Clear the marked area. Place construction material, pallets of wood, 4. Where are they going? There and there. Have a look on the job spec. I haven't even looked at the job spec for a while. How far down are we? Oh, blimey. We've got another whole floor to go. And ceiling and wall construction. So where are we at the moment? Are we only here? No. We've got 2 floors to go. Oh my days, I thought we were much further through. What I might have to do, I think, is just for my sanity and yours, is possibly skip. I'll do a load off camera until we get a bit further through, because I think if we're going to do another whole floor and it's a repeat of what we've just done. Put that there. Disconnect that. It seems a bit crazy doing it, I think, personally, but is it worth me getting rid of another one that's getting rid of that other concrete bucket? I don't know how to do that. We want wood 4 of. Let's get those in place. Yeah, so I think maybe I need to check my timings actually, because I haven't even looked at editing this yet and where we've got to. And then I'll try and get to 3 episodes. I don't want to drag. No, this is episode 3, isn't it? Yeah, this is episode 3. 4 episodes. I don't want this to go on to 5. Especially if what we're doing is just bringing more wood, more materials, doing a whole other floor. You've seen me put in some of the prefabricated bits already. If it's just a repeat of that, then yeah, we'll skip ahead to sort of more towards completion, I think. I have to say, I know a lot of people said about the crane, the tower cranes, and you're better off getting the mobile ones. And I love the mobile one, don't get me wrong, it's brilliant. I'm finding this far easier because I'm having to reposition the crane every now and again. It might just be I just didn't put my crane in the right place. I mean, there could be an element of that to it, but I'm finding this more straightforward, I guess. Where are we going? Yeah, I would have broken the chains and the connections and all sorts on these by now, wouldn't I? Okay, so yeah, we've got 2 more of those, the lift shafts to go in. These were over here before, so I'm assuming that's where they're going to be. Whoa. We are at a point now then where we are pretty much where we started the episode, but a floor below. So we started putting the ceiling components on for the last bit. We've done the entire floor. We've done the 2 raised structures, pouring concrete. We've materials deliveries, all sorts of stuff. We've bought a new tower crane. Life is good. It's all good. But the next step is exactly the same. So what I'm probably going to do, like I think we were saying earlier, we've done materials placement, elevator shaft. We've got materials delivery, then prefabricate components placement, materials delivery, unpacking, concrete ceiling, the stuff we've done already. Then we move on to the ground floor, and we're just duplicating what we've done already on the first 2 floors. So I'm probably going to off camera do a load of that, and then the start of the next episode will either be me completing it, and then the debriefing. Then we'll move on to the next contract. I might pick up some of the standard jobs rather than doing a full-blown sort of mission one. But yeah, I think I'm loving doing it, and I'm enjoying all the steps and all the processes. But we are just duplicating processes we've done already. It would be different if we were just doing a family home. It was 1 floor or 2 floors, but this is going to be like a 3-floor construction, so it's going to be a repeat of what we're doing. So what we'll do at this point, I'll love you and leave you. Thanks for joining me on this one, the 3rd episode. Like I say, we are going to kind of go into a 4th, but hopefully we'll be finishing off. So I'll get all these bits delivered. We'll get them all put up, and the next time you see me, we will probably have the next floor up. I hope so. If we haven't, then I've gone horribly wrong somewhere. But what we can do is we'll have a whiz in here. Where's our scaffolding gone? We should have 2 sets of steps now. If I can find them. Oh, hang on, we got steps inside. Look. I hope you've enjoyed it. I hope you're still enjoying it. And if you have, please give us a like. If you don't subscribe yet, please do. If you want to leave a comment, feel free. And if you want to share this video, then please be my guest. Whatever you should choose to do. Thanks for watching.